Hey guys, this is Darshan. You might have seen my previous video where I shared about my interview experience at Tredence. It's been a long while since I got selected in Tredence, and yeah, we got onboarded last week and we got our goodies. Tredence actually sponsored our flight tickets from our hometown to Bangalore. Yeah, and yeah, also the hotel. And I'm right here at the hotel in opening these goodies for you. So we got a Lenovo laptop. This is a 32 GB variant, and we got a backpack for that. And we got this onboarding kit as well. So this is the ACE principles that we follow at Tredence. We got a headphone from Boat, Rockus 450R. We got a water bottle and it's Puma and it also says Tredence here. We got a pen from Parker, I guess, yeah, Parker. We also got a cute little diary, and we also got a t-shirt. We previously got a black t-shirt and now we got a white from Jack and Jones. And that's it guys, thank you.